Hi, I got our dataset, but it's in Excel. How do I get that into SPSS?
Easy! SPSS can import Excel files directly. It's a common workflow. I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. I've opened an Excel dataset. For each person, we've recorded the type of intervention, diabetes diagnosis, age, height, and weight, both before and after the intervention. The variable weight before is labeled weight 0 and weight after is labeled weight 1. Here, we can see that the variables intervention and diabetes diagnosis are coded dot. So we need a coding key that shows what each numeric value represents. You'll find this key on the coding key worksheet. For instance, the code 0 in the intervention variable indicates the placebo group, while 1 indicates therapy. Similarly, in the diabetes diagnosis variable, 0 stands for no, 1 for yes. With this information, we can proceed to import our data into SPSS. To begin, open SPSS. From the File menu, choose Import Data, then Excel. Locate your Excel file, select it, and click Open. An import dialog will appear, letting you adjust settings and preview your data. If your file has column headers in the first row, be sure to check Read Variable Names from the first row of data. Once the preview looks correct, click OK. Your data will then appear in Data View. Next, switch to Variable View to review and refine your variables. In the decimals column, adjust the weight variable to display 2 decimal places instead of 15. After that, assign the value labels based on the coding key. For intervention, define 0 for placebo, and 1 for therapy. Do the same for diabetes diagnosis. By labeling 0 as no and 1 as yes. Finally, review the measure column to assign the correct scale types. Mark intervention and diabetes diagnosis as nominal and set age, height, and weight to scale. Switch back to Data View to confirm everything appears as expected. Before you begin your analysis, remember to save your imported dataset as an SPSS file .sav. Your data are now fully prepared and ready for further statistical processing.
Okay, importing from Excel was actually smoother than I expected.
Glad to hear it. Just make sure to double-check your variable properties once the data's in SPSS.
You mean making sure the scales and labels are correct?
Exactly. And if your Excel file uses numeric codes, those must be matched with a code key or defined as value labels in SPSS. Without that, meaningful analysis isn't just harder, it's impossible.
Got it. I'll take a minute to clean things up before diving into the stats.